Hello? I hope you're fine. There's a very common statement that tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you exactly what kind of person you are, and maybe even predict how far you might go in this life. The point is, each of us has got something that we want to achieve in this life, and we recognize that we cannot do it alone. So today we want to talk about friendship and the 3 levels of friends that we need to have, and then what we can do to be able to bring them on board and how that could be beneficial for us. So, point 1, we need people who have made it ahead of us in this life. They have more years of experience. They have tried what we're interested in. Let's say, for example, I want to start a restaurant business. So I set out to find people who have achieved in that line of entrepreneurship, in that line of business, and I could learn from them. 2, we need people we can cooperate with. A friend that you're going to come together with and in the same line of restaurant, let's say, you say, okay, I want to do this, but I don't have enough resources. Can we put something together? You need people who can be part of a partnership, either formally or informally. Friends with whom you freely discuss, without necessarily partnering, but there's this cross-learning because you're either in the same age bracket, similar experience level. You can talk more openly about your own struggles as individuals. And then thirdly, you have these people who look at you as someone who has made it. Do you know there are people who admire you out there and they believe they can learn something from you? Have you thought about how you could impact their lives? And sometimes in that process of journeying with them, you yourself also start to learn from them, even learn from yourself. You become more accountable to a group of people whom you are trying to inspire to grow. So the question is, how do we go about this? One thing I've learned over the years is that human character brings this reality that if you come to me only when you need something specific, okay. So, we need to be proactive and take steps to draw closer to people before we literally need them. Friendship opens a lot of doors for us. So, how about if you make that phone call? How about if you send a text message? How about if you arrange for that coffee session, that evening out, and you just talk about your lives, talk about business, and call these people who are senior to you and say, I would like to learn something from you. There's a saying that you need friends who are going to mention your name in a room full of opportunities. And that if you have to call more than 3 people to solve a money challenge you have, you need new friends. I hope today we can be deliberate about the friends that we make. I wish you a great day.